Is it possible to lose 30 to 40 pounds in 4 weeks?
So this is what I'm weighing at day one, almost 90 kg. It's 9.55, so I just called it 90 kg. I weighed myself in the morning and I went ahead to do a video to show my problem area so that I have something to reach back on. You can see that my tummy is a place that actually needs a lot of help, my tummy and my arms. So yeah, so day one was so stressful. It was mostly market haul. I have a full video of everything I bought up on my channel. It was so hectic, but you know, I just had to just keep pushing because it was crazy. I had a crazy day.
I'm making roasted fish. Is it roasted now? Grilled fish, sort of. Say it. I'm going to share the recipe.
So because of how busy my day was, this was the only thing I had to eat. This was 200 grams of hake and about 120 grams of plantain. I roasted them and I made this with this sauce. This sauce is very healthy. I have the recipe on how I made it. So day one, I didn't work out, but I was very active in terms of walking a lot. I had so much to do. Yesterday was actually day one, so I'm making this video on day two morning, but I'm just going to add it to day one so you see it there. So I did a lot of walking. I did a lot of house chores yesterday. It was so much. By the time I was done, my whole body was paining me. So I just said, you know what? I moved my body. That's all that matters. Because the whole idea of doing this is not doing too much. Where we're going to be doing extremes our diet, because we're cutting our carbs completely for the next 4 weeks, and just focusing on protein and vegetables and all that. So yeah, day one was a success, thankfully. So on to day two.